Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to check your Wise account balance quickly and easily. If you don't have a Wise account yet, there's a link in the description where you can sign up for free. That link might also give you access to an exclusive free money transfer offer from Wise. To check your Wise account balance, log into your account. After logging in, go to the main dashboard. On this screen, you'll see a list of currencies. Each currency shows the current available balance next to it. If you want to view more details about one of your balances, click or tap on the currency. This will show your recent activity, including any money received, spent, or converted. If you don't see a balance for a certain currency, you can add it by choosing the option to open a new balance. Once added, any money you receive in that currency will show up in your balance list. That's all you need to do to check your Wise account balance. It's a simple process and your balances are always updated in real time. If you haven't created your Wise account yet, check the link in the description to sign up for free. You might also get a special offer for a free money transfer by using that link.